Nursery class. Now, teacher Faiza is here with you with the story. And the story name is the today's story name is The Lost Key. Have you ever lost something, nursery? No? If yes, then we will find out that how we can find the thing. See, nursery class, these kids are finding the key in the garden, on the grass. And what is this, nursery class? This is the machine that we use to cut the grass. And the machine name is mower. And this man cut the grass, nursery class. And in this story, what we have to do? We have to find out the lost key. So, nursery class, are you ready to find out the key, nursery class, with the keeper? Yes. Then open the story, nursery class. Oh, again, keeper is sad with his toys. See, he has lots of toys and with one key. And he is sitting with sad face. Let's start the story, nursery class. Keeper wanted a magic adventure, but the magic key would not glow. It had not glowed for a long time. Maybe it will glow if it keep it with me, the keeper thought. So he put it in his pocket. So the keeper put it in pocket. Turn the next page. Then this is the keeper mama. Mama had to go to a shopping. She wanted keeper to go with her. I want you to get you some new trainers, she said. So come on. Keeper forgot he had the key in his pocket. Can you see the key in his pocket? But he forgot that he had put the key in his pocket. Then on the way, the mama let the keeper stop and let him do to play in the garden. He ran to the rocket and the key fell down. This is the rocket, okay? And the key fell on the garden, out of his pocket, and on the grass. Look at me, Mum, he called. Now he's in a grocery store, nursery class. Keeper looked in his pocket, but the key was not there. Oh no, said Keeper. Where is the key? I can't have lost it. Can I? But he had lost the key, nursery. Oh my god. Now come to the next page. In this page, he wanted to go again in the park to find out the key. But the keeper mum would not let him go. It had started to rain and mum wanted to get home. Ask Biff and Chip to look for it. She said, oh no. So the key left on the ground, nursery class. See, remember this man with his machine which is used to cut the grass, nursery? A man came to cut the grass. He cut it with a mower. The mower ran over the magic key with a clang. What's what that? Said the man. Nursery class, look at the picture that the key come up and his mover broke down, nursery class. See? Oh no, the man get very disappointed. The key had broken the mover. Grrr, the man said crossly. Now I shall have to mend the mover. He was so cross that he threw the magic key in the bin. See, nursery class? He threw the key in the bin. Oh no. The next day, nursery class, these two boys come in the park and they take out the key from the bin with them, nursery. Now what shall we do with it? The other boy said. Then the boy in the yellow shirt, he had some string. He tied the key to the string and spun it around and around. This is nursery class. He moving the key around and around. And look at this man. He is making his garden beautiful. And this building is of the mirror nursery class. Turn the next page. Suddenly the string broke and the key flew through the air. Can you see nursery class? See? They break the mirror of this man. My god, this is very bad habit nursery. It hit a greenhouse with a crash and broke the glass. Oh no, said the boys. Look at my greenhouse, yelled the man. The glass is broken. The boys ran away as fast as they could. Just you came back here, called the man. See, the boys are running. And the man is yelling at them, nursery class. Oh my god, so bad, nursery. Yes, this is the page. Keeper had to tell the Biff and the Chip that he had lost the magic key. I think I lost it by the rocket, he said, but Mum would not let me look for it. Come on, said Chip, we must find. Wilf and Wilma helped them look for the lost key. They are the friend of Keeper. They go again in the park to help him in finding the key nursery. Biff asked the man if he had seen it. Yes, said the man. I threw it that in the bin, but two boys took it out. Turn the next page, nursery class. See what happened. Yes, these are the two boys in the nursery. The children saw the two boys. They asked them if they had found the key. Yes, said the boys, but we lost it again. We broke a man's greenhouse with. You remember in a nursery class the green man of the house who yelled at them? Then all the friends and the keeper went to the greenhouse man. They asked him that whether they have the key or not. But the man said, sorry, I sold the key to the junk shop to help to pay for the glass because he needed money now. So to repair the glass, that is why nursery he sold that key to get some money from that. They again get sad. Now they move to the junk shop, nursery class. Oh my god, the owner of the junk shop is a beautiful lady, nursery. The children went to the junk shop. They told the lady about the key and asked her if she had it. Sorry, said the lady, I have sold it. Oh my god, again sold, nursery. The lady told them who had it. A man come in, she said. He wanted some old keys. She told them that the man had a shop down the street. Oh, again they get sad because they have to move to the next person. See, nursery class? They are looking through the glass that what he is doing with the old key, nursery class, all of the friends. The children went to the man's shop. In the window there was a picture and painting. Why do you think the man want old keys? Asked Wilf. Wilma looked inside the shop. Can you see that in the nursery? She is looking inside the shop. It was closed and she could not see the man. We must get our pocket money, said Biff. We must have to buy the key back. Let's go home then, said Chip. So they move back to the home. And they come back with their mum because they tell all the situation to the mama that they have lost the magic key, nursery class, and we always need to tell each and everything to our mamas, okay, because mama are the best thing we have. Mum went to the shop with the children. She told the man about the key and how Keeper had lost it. She asked if they could have the key back. Yes, said the man, but you have to find it. You know why, nursery class? Because he paint all the keys and put it in the frame and then sell again, nursery class. Because and he don't know which key they are asking about. The man had painted some picture and had put lots of keys in them. All the keys has painted. The children look at the picture, but they couldn't see the magic key nursery. See, the keeper is finding, and he has lots of keys nursery class in his shop. So finally, the keeper find out a small key in the frame. And he gets so happy and shouted, Mama, Mama, I have found it. Then the mama said, Can we take this key? Then the man said, Yes, you can take this key, but you have to buy this frame. Mama said, Oh, you are taking too much money for this old key. Then the friends and the keeper give all the money to the mum to buy the picture. They take the picture and come back home. See their sad faces. You know why they are sad? First of all, they clean all the paint from the key nursery class and they put the key in the middle of the page. Sorry, middle of the table. And they are waiting for his magic adventure. But I think it has lost its magic. It's been out in the rain, said Wolf, and it's been bent by the mover. It's been through a window and chipped and it's been stuck on the painting. It's had a bad time, said Wilma. You know the key has passed through a lots of things. That's why they are thinking that the key has lost its magic. The children wanted the key to glow. Wilma picked it up. Do you think it will ever glow again? She said. Do you think the magic will still work? I don't know, said Biff. I hope so. But the key did not glow and the magic would not work. See what he want? He want that the key get start working. He want to be the Superman and he want to fly in the air through the magic key. But the magic would not work. Oh no. Turn the next page. The next day, Wilf and Wilma come to the house with Nadim and Anina, their new friend's nursery. The children were sorry about the key. It still wouldn't glow and they are all very sad. Look at their sad faces, nursery, and the key because it's not glowing. How can we make the magic work again? Asked Wilma. Anina thought of a good idea. Let's remind it of the magic adventure, she said. Maybe that will make it work. But the key still didn't glow. At last, the children gave up. Mum told Biff and Chip it was the time for your friend to go back home because it's the evening nursery class and at the Maghrib time or evening we should stay in home. Okay, nursery class. So they come back home and saying goodbye or Allah Hafiz to the keeper's mom. Now, Keeper was sorry about the keys because he had lost it in the garden nursery class and all things happened just because of him. But he has good brother and sister. They are saying, It's okay, Keeper, it's okay, don't get cry. And they let the key with Keeper. Okay? So he may become relaxed that nothing will be happen. And he sleep by crying and you know what happened, nursery class? Suddenly the magic key began to glow. Oh my god. You can see the glowing of the key, nursery class? Yes, it means that the key has not lost its magic, nursery. Oh my god. See how many things happen in the story, but finally he find the lost key, nursery class. Okay, in this story we get the result that we should take care of our thing, Otherwise, we will go through lots of trouble. Okay, nursery class, take care of your things very carefully. And inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture with the new story and with the new result. Until then, take lots of good care and Allah Hafiz.